Hey everyone! In this video, we are going to show you how to delete a chart or a layout on TradingView. The purpose of deleting a chart and clearing drawing tools on TradingView is to remove obsolete technical analysis, indicators, and drawings. This helps us maintain a clean workspace for new market analysis. By doing this, we declutter our screen space, remove irrelevant data, and can even improve our workflow by removing all unnecessary drawings. Let's get started so you can follow along step by step. First, open your browser and go to tradingview.com. Once you're there, click to access the page. Go to the Login section and log into your account. After logging in, let's go to the Product section. Under the Product section, we can do some supercharging. Here, we can see all the available actions. You just have to click the sub-returns. Once you are directed to this page, you can see all the flowcharts and movements. Here, you can also see all the details stored. This is where the magic happens. In the upper right corner, you will see the drop-down button. You just have to click this one. To delete a chart, you will see all the layouts here. Look for the Open Layout option. Now, click this Open Layout. A layout form will appear, and this is where all the charts or layouts will be displayed. Here is an example of a layout or chart. Simply point your cursor, and a small logo will appear. Just click that one. Then, click to confirm if you want to permanently delete this chart or layout. This is how we delete a chart on TradingView. Removing charts helps keep our workspace clean and organized. This makes it easier to manage our charts and focus only on the ones we currently use. Clean charts, clean workspaces, better progress.